at a time when the world seems to be spinning hopelessly out of control. There's believers, deceivers, and old in-betweeners that seem to have no place to go. It's the same old song. It's right and it's wrong. It's the way I feel when I'm with you. Now my hand's on the wheel. Something that's real, and I feel like I'm going home. Two of my favorite songwriters, Willie Nelson, that song, and Steven Tyler, because they kind of break the rules. I skipped yesterday talking to y'all because, truthfully, I think people are getting tired of the trauma videos because the viewing is falling off a little bit. But I'm kind of emotional today, so I wanted to get on here and share a couple things. I got two beautiful daughters, and they're the world to me. And my oldest daughter, who is the mother of four of my six grandchildren, I put this out earlier, but she has metastatic breast cancer. And if you don't know what that is, it's stage 4 breast cancer. And she gave me a good report from MD Anderson the other day about a tumor shrinking and all that. That does not hide the elephant in the room that what she has is incurable. And it's not a if it's going to take her over, it's a when. It's a hard thing for a father, especially someone like me who, for the most part of my life, lived recklessly, and I'm still here. But we're not guaranteed life is fair. So what does that have to do with recovery or anything like that? Well, I am so very grateful to God and a lot of people who helped me get on the road to recovery and stay there. Because instead of being out in an alley somewhere shooting dope and not being there for my daughter, I can be there for my daughter. I can support her financially. I can help with the kids. I can do whatever she needs, and all that by the grace of God. So I just wanted to share that with y'all, that on the one hand, I'm so very sad. On the other hand, I'm so very grateful. And so goes life. Anyway, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. I'll take a couple days break, and when I come back, we'll pick something else up. Y'all have a blessed day. That being said, you can always get a hold of me if you need anything. So, peace.